Everyone, in this video I'm going to solve a problem that is from pair of linear equations in two variables. The question is, if 2x minus 3y equal to 7 and a plus b of x minus a plus b minus 3 of y equal to 4a plus b represents coincident lines, then a and b satisfies the equation and given the options. So first let us see the condition for coincident lines. If the given system of equations represent coincident lines, if they satisfy the condition a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So consistent means this is the condition, consistent and coincident. This condition, if the given line of equations, system of equations satisfies this condition, then we can say they are consistent and also coincident lines. If they are coincident, how many solutions you will have? Infinitely many solutions. So if the above condition is satisfied by the given system of equations, then the two lines are coincident and also will have infinitely many solutions and also consistent. Understood? What we understood, if this condition is satisfied by the given two line equations, then we can say they both are coincident and also infinitely many solutions and also consistent. We can say these three informations about the given equations if the condition is satisfied by them. Okay, so let us find the value or the equation which is satisfy the values of a and b. Okay, so from this condition let us write that 2x minus 3y equal to 7, a plus bx minus a plus b minus 3y equal to 4a plus b. Now a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to minus 3, c1 equals to 7, a2 equals to a plus b, b2 equals to minus a plus b minus 3, c2 equals to 4a plus b. Substitute these values in the given condition. What you will get, a 2 by a plus b equals to minus 3 by minus of a plus b minus 3 equal to 7 by 4a plus b. Okay. Okay, like this we got. Now what we will do is equate 1 and 3 and 2 and 3. So 2 by a plus b is equals to 7 by 4a plus b minus 3 by minus a plus b minus 3 is equals to 7 by 4a plus b. Okay. Now cross multiply. 8a plus 2b equal to 7a plus 7b. So 8a minus 7a plus 2b minus 7b equal to 0. 8 minus 7a, this minus 5b equals to 0. Right? So here minus minus cancel, now again cross multiply ma. 12a plus 3b equals to 7a plus 7b minus 21. So 12a minus 7a plus 3b minus 7b equals to minus 21. 12 minus 7 5a. 3b minus 7b means minus 4b equals to 21. Take this as equation 2. Here I am taking again 2a plus b is equals to, I am taking 1 and 2 minus 3 by minus a plus b minus 3. Even from this also you can find how a equals to 5b. Substitute this a value in this. Okay, in that way also we can do it. Understood? So here these two get cancelled and again cross multiply. 2a plus 2b minus 6 equals to 3a plus 3b. So 3a plus 3b minus 2a minus 2b plus 6 equals to 0. 3a minus 2a plus 3b minus 2b is plus b equals to minus 6. This is equation 1. Now solving 1 and 2. So 5a minus 4b equals to 21. Sorry, minus 21. This one, a plus b equals to minus 6. So if you observe, b value will be cancelled easily. So I am multiplying the second equation by 4. What you will get, the first equation comes the same. And the second equation you will get 4a plus 4b equals to minus 24. Now these both are opposite signs, you directly cancel. Now you have to add the remaining terms. So 5 plus 4 9 a equal to 1 plus 4 5, 2 plus 2 4 45. So minus 45. A equals to minus 45 by 9, which is equals to minus 5. That is the value of A. Now let us find the value of B. In any of the equations you can substitute. Okay, that is a plus b equals to minus 6. I'm substituting. Substituting a value in any two equation, any one equation. What is that, a plus b or a minus b? A plus b equals to minus 6, equals to minus 6. What is a value? 5. So 5 plus b equals to minus 6, which implies b equals to minus 6 plus 5 equals to minus 1. Therefore b equal to minus 1. Therefore a equals to 5, b equals to minus 1. What are the equations? So a plus 5b equal to 0, because a is 5, b is minus 1. So 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Understood? This is the equation which is satisfied by the above values. Okay, understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.